I just finished a virtual hearing here at my home office that had a few problems. Counsel were not prepared to properly do a virtual hearing from where they were appearing from. The judge got frustrated with one lawyer in particular, and the judge was making some mistakes of his own. It was clear to see that the reason why these problems were occurring is because the judge and the lawyers didn't have the equipment at home that they need to put their best presentation on through their virtual hearing. So what this video is going to do is just give you a couple tips of what you're going to need to buy in order to make your hearing perfect. I'm going to show you what I have here at my home office so that you can go pick it up if you need it to make sure that you're doing things the way that's going to put your argument over Zoom, over Teams, whatever, perfectly. So let's take a look. So the first thing we need is a good microphone. As I've said in previous videos, a good USB mic is the way to go. This one is called a Blue Yeti, and it's the one I use. For webcams, I use a Logitech. It has good software, and they're clear cameras. Remember, with webcams, the most important thing is the lighting, so no matter what camera you get, make sure you have good lights and they're aimed in the right spots. Here's my monitor. I use this to plug into my laptop. It makes things clearer, and it keeps me looking forward. I plug everything into a hub or a dongle. That means that I can just use one plug to plug in my laptop when I'm getting ready for my hearing, and I leave everything else plugged in. If you're going to use a laptop, that's fine, but make sure it's raised. The problem when you use a raised laptop is it's hard to get to the keyboard and the trackpad, so I suggest you get a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to pair with it. This one is good because it can compare with multiple computers, both Mac and PC. So those are the few pieces that I've used to turn my single laptop into a home office virtual hearing studio, for lack of a better word. It's going to cost you a few dollars to do, but I think it's worth it because you really want to make sure that your clients are getting the best advocacy that they can and what they're paying for. And unfortunately, this is the new office equipment that we're going to be relying on, home or actually at your office moving into the future. So I just wanted to make this video really quickly because of what I just saw in my virtual hearing to maybe help that lawyer and you guys out by giving you some information that may help you with your next hearing. If you want to see anything in particular, leave a comment below. I'll do a video on anything you guys are interested in. Thanks.